Welcome to Lecture 2 Maths, Class 6, Chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers, Exercise 1.2. Question number 2 of your NCERT book. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? For explaining this question, I want to take one situation. Suppose you want to give party to your friends and for this you want 100 rupees. Your mother gave you 70 rupees and balance you want from your father. So how much your father gave it to you? Definitely your answer is 30 rupees. So how you got the answer? Simply total 100 rupees that you want minus the money that your mother gave it to you. That is 70 rupees. So your answer is 30 rupees. Same we will do in this question. Shekhar wants to complete 10,000 runs. He scored runs so far 6,980 runs. More runs he needed, it is 10,000 minus 6,980, which is equal to 3,020 runs. That means Shekhar needs now 3,020 runs to make 10,000 runs. Question 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? In this question, votes secured by two candidates in election is given. One who won the election, who got 5,77,500 votes, and the other who is his nearest rival, or in simple words we can say first runner up, who secured 3,48,700 votes. Now you have to tell the difference between the votes secured by these two candidates. For finding difference, we must subtract smaller number from the greater one. Same we will do in this question. Successful candidate secured votes 5,77,500. Rival candidate secured votes 3,48,700. Margin of votes 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700, which is equal to 2,28,800. Question 7th. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? A merchant had total money 78,592 and she want to purchase the radio sets. The cost of one radio set is given to us 1,200. But she want to purchase 40 radio sets. When the cost of one is given and the cost of many is asked, more than one is asked, then we will multiply. So cost of 40 radio sets is rupees 1,200 multiplied by 40, which is equal to 48,000. Now we have to find out how much money will remain with her after the purchase. So money remain with her after the purchase 78,592 minus rupees 48,000 equal to rupees 30,592. Now question number 8 of NCERT. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? A student has to multiply one number 7,236 by 56 and by mistake he has multiplied it by 65. So definitely his answer is greater as he multiplied by the greater number. So find out the difference. We will find out the difference between from the number he multiplied by the number he has to multiply. That is 65 minus 56, which is equal to 9. And the answer is greater than the correct answer by 7236 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 65,124. Now, on the basis of above explained questions, you can do some questions of your NCERT book, exercise 1.2, question 1, 4, 5 and 6.